Hello guys, we are back on with another video, and today we are going to be playing some more Roblox mm2, and yeah, so I think there is a round going on. Yeah, there's a round going on. Oh my, that was painful to watch, but anyway, we'll get back to you all when another round starts. So yeah, oh boys, we are innocent. Oh man, what an amazing world. Oh, that's thumping. Oh, the music, I gotta use the music. Okay, I muted the music. That was a close one. Oh, look at that. I called him. That guy right there. Yep. Oh my. How did I call it? I'm telling you all, I called it. Oh, no. I'm out of here. I am booking. Oh my gosh, I'm booking for days. I'm dead already. Oh my god, I'm dead. I want to get up there. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm scared. Help me. Ah! I fell. Ah! It moved. I'm so scared, guys. I don't know what to do, guys. I'm out of options. All I have to do is just sit there. Oh my gosh. This is just so scary. This is so scary. Ah! Where are you? Look at it over there. Oh no. Oh. I'm going in. Oh no. What is wrong with me? Oh no. That person I think is staring up at the murderer. Keeping up with the M. Gotta sit. Oh my gosh. That was pretty brutal. If you ask me, that was pretty brutal, guys. Brutal. Wait, victory. Huh? Did you run out of time? Yay! I'm gonna go for the ship facility. Oh, that's not spores. We've got like animation up there. What's this? 3. 1 is, I think, hooray, yeah. Oh! It's time. If you know what I mean by time, it's time to get a killing spree on. And this person shall be my first victim. There goes one. I think anyone saw that? I'm booking them. I wasn't here for any of this. He's gonna discover the body and they're gonna figure out that's me, the robot. But it's not me. Oh, look at that. Right into the cover. Oh my god. We did it. I can be good, right? junk bot, right? Right? You go to... Oh, no. Na, na, na. Everywhere I see I go. Okay, so the gun's popping off. Oh, I think I'll get the sheriff. Yeah, that's the sheriff. Kill you. There you are. Oh, pop it off. Oh, that was easy. Okay. Any blood hiding? Okay, I'm hiding in there. Oh, shoot! Wait for it. She's gonna turn the corner. Good. Oh, shoot him out. Oh, and bye. And she knew she was a guy. Text right there. This ain't chat. Murder's camper. Yes. No. Just doing my job. No, I'm not. Just doing my job. Murder is big camera. Oh, we got a little trade. Finally, I can trade some stuff. Oh. I'm a wreck. You can see the vid and prove I'm not camping. I'm wreck. You can see the vid and prove I'm not camping. Oh, get wrecked. Oh, but to say they're gonna be murderer. I don't care. Yeah, I don't care about you. Oh, snap. Nah, obviously I'm just kidding. I don't care about you. Oh, yep, that red guy's a murderer. Anyway, well, that's gonna do it for today's Roblox video. And today, and of course, we'll have to do friend requests of the day. Well, friend requests of the morning, actually, because it's 10:22 in the morning. Okay. Oh, okay, so we have way more coming in as usual. Okay, that's the creepy guy that I was going to tell you about in the last video. And it is... Oh, crap. Eyes are closed, and it is... Where's my mouse at? Oh, Candy Princess 226, okay. You went out. Oh, wow, that sucks. I don't want to get an end again, and I'm gone. Myla42432432 Pup 7. Wow. Wait, are you unable to process? The user currently has. Oh, snap, sucks. Okay. And it is. Why do we have max friends? There you go. That guy's friend request. Okay, now on to the second page. And oh, there's barely one here, so I'm just gonna go for right now. I'm not even gonna do this. I'm just gonna go like this. And I got Dynamite 567890. Congratulations, those two are now my friends. So let's go to the home page. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the vid. I will see you all in the next one. Peace.